First things first, let's answer these ones before we continue. Someone is asking, do I only qualify for overtime when itemizing? The answer is no. The deduction is available for either standardizing or itemizing. So just choose what works for you. And this answers someone who asked me, what should I do? Should I standardize or itemize? The question is, what benefits you the most? So choose based on your tax advantage. Where you have the advantage, take that one. So the overtime has something you should understand here. You need to know how it was paid to you. Do you have that closing statement from it's called year-end statement from your employer? Are you an exempt or non-exempt employee? We need to know all these because they take part in the computation. Remember, overtime has what we call qualified and non-qualified portion of overtime. This is something to consider here. Remember also that we shall look at whether you were paid 1.5 or double and a half. There are some jobs I know that are paying 2.5. So we need to look at these factors when you're dealing with your overtime. So, but for your answer, you can itemize, you can standardize, you still get your overtime. So the other person asked me, how do I deal with the employer and individual HSA, this healthy savings? Okay, now this is what I got from this context. You worked with an organization and left, you started your own business. So you have HSA contribution from your employer. You also have HSA contribution from your personal contributions. Here is the thing. The one from your employer, we shall take it through your W2. And when you are inputting your W2, we shall consider all this information. But the one from your contribution, personal contribution, we shall trace it through deductions and credits. And we shall go to other deductions and credits, and you shall see this HSA. So we shall put it here from this section. I don't know which software you're using, or you're just asking a plain question, or you may have to reach out to us and we see how to deal with it. However, be mindful of the maximum. If your contribution from your employer, maybe from last year 2024, maybe from 2025, when you look at this, if your contribution is beyond the maximum, please withdraw before they penalize you. Withdraw. And even before you put in your personal contributions, or maybe you already contributed, just look at the maximum and withdraw this as soon as possible. Make sure you withdraw this before April 1st this year 2026. Beyond that, you're going to be penalized. In the same aspect, let me answer you who was asking me about a SEP IRA. It's still, you are a self-employed person and you have your SEP contributions IRA. So what are you going to do? We need to know, is it traditional or Roth? So either way, if it is a traditional IRA, you just have to do one thing for me. Go under wages and income and say add income. Under that, you'll see what you call self-employment or self-employed retirement plans. Under that, you're going to find SEP, and you're going to find all these other categories, whether it is traditional, whether it is a Roth, whether it was a conversion. Tell us about everything about this in that section. If you find difficulties, please come back and we help you. Or if you have further questions, give us your context and we help you. I have another question, but I think I need to do another video because it may need wider kind of explanation. See you in the next video.